Now I instruct you to come at page 57. That is the second part. Let's continue. The question after segment we will do it together. We will do it together once we finish the text. So don't worry about it. Let's first finish the text. There are quite a number of good teachers in our school. So now he is discussing here about the teachers who used to take his classes. B.D. Roy taught us English. So here we come across the first teacher about who used to take his classes, who is an English teacher, and his name is B.D. Roy. He was a small man who took great care to ensure that we pronounced English correctly. So here we come across two words. First one is ensure, the second one is pronounced. Ensure means to make sure. The meaning of ensure is make sure. It is a verb form of the word sure. Kono kichu sunishchit kora. The second word is pronounced, is given in the book. Pronounced means uttered. U-T-T-E-R-E-D. Pronounce is the main word, is the main form, is the present form. Pronounce মানে হচ্ছে উচ্চারণ করা, articulate or utter. Articulate spelling is A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-T-E. A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-T-E. Articulate or utter. U-T-T-E-R. One day he told us the story of the ox and the frog from Aesop's Fables. Aesop's Fables is a fable written by Aesop. What is that? A collection of fables credited to Aesop, who was a slave and a storyteller living in ancient Greece. I hope you know about fables. Fable is a story which has animal characters in it and which is intended to teach us moral lessons. মানে একটা গল্প যেখানে প্রচুর প্রাণীদের ক্যারেক্টার থাকবে, প্রচুর পশু পাখি তাদের ক্যারেক্টার থাকবে এবং সেগুলো আমাদেরকে শেখানো হয়, সেগুলো আমাদেরকে বলা হয় যাতে আমরা জীবনে উন্নতি করতে পারি। আমরা আমাদের জীবনে যে মরাল জিনিসগুলো, নীতিগত যে জিনিসগুলো, নৈতিক যে দিকগুলো, সেইগুলো সম্বন্ধে অবহিত হই। Before telling this story, he taught us how the pronunciation of the depends on whether the following word begins with a vowel or a consonant. So what happens here is that the teacher, that is the English teacher B.D. Roy, he makes sure that his students they understand the significance of using the specific definitive article, that is the, by telling them a story. And before telling them a story, he also uses it as a platform. He also uses it as a chance to make them understand the real usage of the article, that is the. How does he do so? He does so by telling them that the pronunciation of it depends on whether the word, that means the article, that is the, it begins with a vowel or a consonant. I fondly remember our head Pandit Bhattacharya sir for his excellent handwriting. So here the author, that is Satyajit Ray, he comes across, or he talks here about, or informs us about another of his teacher, that is Bhattacharya sir. And what is the best thing about him? That he had an excellent handwriting. I don't think anybody else could write Bengali more beautifully on the blackboard. I was not very good at sports, but I could draw very well. So here we get information about the author, that is Satyajit Ray, that he was not very good. He was not a good sportsman, but he was a very good painter. He used to paint, or he used to draw very well. Because of that, as a result, I became the favorite of our drawing teacher Ashu Babu. So a student who is good on a specific subject, is always appreciated by the specific teacher of the specific subject. Here the same thing also happens with Satyajit Ray. He has been appreciated and he has been taken care of by his drawing teacher, by their drawing teacher, not his individual drawing teacher, the drawing teacher of his class, of his school, that is Ashu Babu. He was given the charge of decorating the hall for the annual prize distribution ceremony. He also conducted an event called music drawing. This is the event, or this is the thing which we have to know, or we have to understand carefully. What is music drawing? For this event, there would be a blackboard, colored chalks on a table. A student would sing a song and another would draw a picture on the blackboard, trying to capture in lines and color the essence of this song. So basically this is an event, this is a thing to make the students more efficient, more good, I should use better in the specific subject, that is drawing. And what they used to do, a student would be singing a song and another student would be drawing this song on the picture. Now how would the drawing be done? You cannot draw a song. So what the person or what the student on the blackboard had to do, he had to listen to this song. He had to understand the meaning of the song, the true essence of the song, the true significance of the song, the true meaning of the song, and then he has to compose a drawing based on the basic necessity of the song. If he does it, he would be able to win the event called music drawing. In this way, through many such happy and memorable episodes, I spent 6 years of my school life. So here we all again get another information that the author spent 6 years of his life in his school. His school life spanned of 6 years. 10 years after leaving school, I went back there just once, probably to attend a reunion of ex-students. Reunion means when you again unite once again. When you unite for a time, the ex-students, they unite for a time and they happen to take it. Here also we know, in Narendra also, the reunions happen. 1 year it happens for the school that where you are reading, and 1 year it happens for the college students. I hope you know that. You will be knowing that once time comes up. Okay, so what happens here is that another information about number we get, that the reunion that of the students that the author, that is Satyajit Ray, attended, it happened after 10 years of him leaving the school. As he entered the hall, I noted with surprise that I could not recognize it. So the author, who has been in the school for almost 6 years, after coming back to school after 10 years, he was unable to recognize the hall. What was the reason? The hall which was his favorite, about the hall which he had written so many things about it, specified about it. How can he forget about the hall? The reason is there. The hall which had seemed enormous means huge, gigantic, huge or gigantic, 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 gigantic means huge. The hall which had seemed enormous earlier did not seem to be quite that big then.